Welcome to Weifang, the capital of cat. Weifang, also known as Wei City, has a long history of producing cats. With exquisite craftsmanship, careful selection materials, delicate paste, vivid images, gorgeous paintings, flexible traditional style and artist characteristic, Weifang cat is as famous as Beijing style cat and Jing style cats. Like many forms of folk art in China, it is an entertainment product that is closely related to people's lives and carries people's ideals and aspirations. Because Weifang cat is known as Yuan in ancient times, Weifang is also known as Yuan City, so it can be said that Weifang has a long history of making cats. Weifang cat is usually masked with high-grade silk and painted by hand, and the skeleton of Weifang cat is usually made of bamboo. The combination of arts and craft reflect the value of cats. With the gradual frequency of international cat exchanges, cats, the Asian handfolk art, has flourished under the new situation and has become an important work of art. The origin of the Weifang cat can trace back to the first wooden cat made by Modi, a thinker of Lu state. Weifang cat has a history of more than 2,000 years. Weifang cats have various forms, which can be roughly divided into 6 categories: string, bucket, hard wing, soft wing, plate, and dynamic, and the most famous of which is the classic string cat, which is a traditional Chinese cat with extremely complex production techniques and great ornamental value. The most representative one is the Weifang dragon hand centipede cat. The cat is the symbol of Weifang. It is a unique feeling for Weifang people. Weifang is my hometown, and I hope to develop better in the future. I hope everyone can go deeper into Weifang cats, and I welcome you all in Weifang. If you have the opportunity, you can visit the Weifang Cat Museum as well.